Buddy, check this out. Ito nga ang bahay na malilipatan mo na upon turnover dahil naka-tiles na at modern minimalist pa ang design for as low as 14,000 monthly. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes buddy, you heard that right. Dahil free na rin ang ating water and electricity installation fee. Napakalaking savings at less hassle pa sa application. Once okay na nga ito, ay pwede mo nang dalhin ang gamit at family mo. At may option ka pa dito na provision for 2 or 3 bedroom kung ang preferred mo nga ay mas malaking floor area katulad ng ating nasa video. With 68 square meters na floor area ay siguradong hindi ka na mabibitin sa space. Soon to rise sa Tansa, Cavite, kaya naman easy access ito to Manila and Airport via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Vermosa, Villar City, MCX and Alabang. TCP starts at 2.6 million, estimated monthly amortization is 14,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!